guys, welcome back to my studio. Like you see, I do little changing. I put the black sheet, more nice to do. I will be order something and put on the wall will be nicer. But how you know from probably title or probably introduction what you see what will be today video, I will be talk about two boom arm. One is for you can set up your phone, another is you can set up lamp. That is two different, and I think you will be interesting something like that. I see many videos how people set up the lights up above, and I think what I can buy to make the same. Sometimes I want to photography something, use the lamp and the lights go from the top, but I have little problem before. I don't have that boom arm, but I bought something what is one cheap you can use for phone, another more expensive, but you can easily set up your lamp. Let's go. If you don't know me and you are here first time, I am Monika, food and product photographer, and on my YouTube channel you find a lot of video about food product photography behind the scene. And today we will be talk about tools for photography. A boom arm, one will be cheap and you can use for recorder yourself to set up from the phone. Is perfect for use for phone, not for lamp, because it's not that strong. First, what we need stand. The stand I have what I use for every lamp, and that is a basic stand. You can buy on Amazon, Temu, different places. And we will be need these two things. This is the boom arm, and special that set arm what you can set up with this. Like, believe me, you can buy this on Amazon, Temu, AliExpress. This is the plastic, something metal and plastic, mostly is plastic. This is the metal, but not heavy. First we set up these things. How we set up these things? We put here, like you see, when you buy these things, this coming in the piece, you will be having the piece, no one setup is like coming in the piece. You set up everything together. This coming here is more easy. Now I have in one piece another things. We put this here, you know, and this here. But you can easily close this stuff, because this close this stuff when you like here. See, this close this stuff. Now we set up this on as stand, and here we will be put in this hole as boom arm. This boom arm is not so long, you can make longer. Probably is like 1 meter 50 centimeters, something like that. Yeah, 1 meter 50 centimeters, because I have 167, and you can set up this easily. Here is special hole. You do first little loose, and you put in this hole your arm, boom arm. Now is perfect, like you see. And here on the end we have that things when you always can set up here the lamp or different things. I prefer, because it's not so strong. Here on the back should be something to you can hanging your bags to make like really set up everything straight. Because if you put something here, the balance will be different. But I don't have these things in the back, I lost. But believe me, when you buy, remember about the hook have on the end. But here we will set up as phone easily. You buy that things on Amazon, Temu, somewhere else, like that, small things, and you set up this here on the front, because there is hole. And now you easily can use these things and put here and set up. One moment, we use this for recorder yourself. You can use straight, you can manage this, use, one moment, oh, I will be lose this. It's perfect setup now. The phone. This is amazing boom arm if you want to set up something and recorder from the top, like unboxing to do, or you want to do flat lay photography. You can of course manage this different position, up, down, of course, how you want. And believe me, for the phone is perfect. I will be scared a little put here the lamp, but I have another boom arm and I show you another boom arm. What I will be set up definitely there my lamp. First we need the stand. I have the stand and another things. I bought something that this is not sponsoring. I bought myself Pix Pro, the company, the boom arm. What you set up here on the stand, like you see here, you have the arm and you manage more position up, down. Believe me, is heavy, is very, very heavy, and is longer because I can, like here, I have another things. This is for set up your lights or something different. You can set up this position and you can set up this position. It's two different positions when you want to put the lamp or something different here. And you have very long the arm, really is like 2 meters and 2.5 meters almost. Believe me, I will be use this for the lamp, and I will be used because sometimes I want to record something from up and I don't have lights there. My lights is not good. And another things here in the back, you straight away have the hook. You can here put your sand back to make everything good balance when you put something heavy on the front. We set up the lamp here. I take the Godox SL60W, this lamp, because another lamp I recorded today the video. We set up on this like normal setup on stand. The lights, you can put that lights here. If you set up different, you have different up, down, and the voice what you hear is from lamp. That is always. Another things what I want to show you, when I have that lamp, the balance is not good, you see. That's here on the back we put something heavy. You need, believe me, this you switch off and you put here and it's more balance. You can of course manage this up, down to set up different position your lamp. And believe me, this stand is amazing stand for a lamp. If you want to work and use the lights, you can set up this really boom arm for the lamp. Yes, I'm looking for something like that, not too expensive, because if I buy this stand, it's more expensive than these two. But I'm looking for something what is cheap and I can use long. This is the best for the phone. This is the best for the lamp. Of course, I left the link below, all about the boom arm. Your choice what you need for the phone or for your lamp. But let me know in the comment what you use, what is the best for you. Because for me, this is okay. I can use and work with this in my studio.